What's going on, guys? Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking out another review. Tonight we have a start of a series that I'm going to do. It's going to be a two-part series. I was going to do a four-part, but with the products I got coming in, it'd take a long time for me to get four reviews out of this. So I'm going to go ahead and do it with the two-part review. Now that I got that out of the way, we got another small batch company, but the difference is this company isn't in the US. This company is from Wales. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Thanks for coming back to the channel and checking it out. I appreciate all your support. I'm very grateful to have you guys. I'm very honored to be able to do this for you guys and help whomever out. It really means a lot to me. If you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button. Watch the video the whole way through if you like it. Hit that thumbs up. If you don't like the video, you can hit the thumbs down. Either way, I'll always look for a way to continue to do better. Anyway, guys, tonight I got a special treat for you. This company is from Wales, UK. It is a husband and wife team doing huge things over there in Wales. As I always stated before, being in the States here, our system is a little less strict on the products that we use, the ingredients that we use. As opposed to what they have stricter measures over there for their ingredients. So I've always said anything that comes from across the pond always works great in my beard. Just feels absolutely fantastic in my beard. So tonight we're gonna go over a company called Infernal Beard Company. Like I said, it's a husband and wife team. They use all pure essential oils. The names of the owners are Lauren and Stephanie. I think it's Lauren or Lauren. I apologize if I'm butchering that. But he is a graphic designer. And his wife, Stephanie, she studies science and chemistry. And what I'm going to do, how I usually read a little bit about me section on some of these companies, I'm going to try my first B-roll in this first review for these guys. While I read this, I'm going to let you guys enjoy a few shots from the Infernal Beard Company. Infernal Beard Co are a luxury gentleman's grooming company specializing in high-end design and all-natural ingredients to create supreme quality blends using our skills in chemistry, perfumery, and aromatherapy. We focus on sophisticated and intriguing blends of pure essential oils that evoke a sense of the occult and mystical. We are a man and wife team living in the mountains of North Wales, UK. After studying music, Lauren went to open a business in the labeling and design industry, as well as becoming a graphic designer. Stephanie studied science, working on a project in the jungles of Southeast Asia, then working in the chemistry field before opening her own business. Stephanie has also been an occult practitioner since the age of 11. Combining our interest in art and the occult, we set about creating our first collection of occult beard oils. Our concept was to take a mystical character or spirit and design a scent profile around their witchcraft, around their occult attributes, using the principles of ancient herbalism and witchcraft. After choosing our spirit or character, Stephanie selects at least one botanical that is associated with them using the above-mentioned principles, then building a unique and spectacular scent, reminiscent of a cologne found in an exclusive perfumery. Lauren sets about his vision for the artwork of the subject, then creating jaw-dropping designs and applying them to high-quality packaging. Finally, Lauren selects a relevant passage from history and literature, evoke the personality of the chosen spirit or character. Alright, sorry about that, guys. I hope you enjoyed that as well as heard and got a little bit of information about these two husband and wife team. And I can tell you this right off the get before I even start showing you guys these products. These are phenomenal. The scents are different. They just, I don't know, there's something about these scents that are so complex. They're just great smelling products, and Just the feel in beard is absolutely insane. And not insane like cuckoo insane, just how it makes my beard feel. So when you order Infernal Beard, they send you a nice postcard and a little note on the back. It says thank you from Infernal Beard Co. And these bottles, they survived. I think it took them almost 4 weeks, almost a month, maybe a little bit over a month to actually get to my doorstep. And I was stoked to get these. When you get them, they come in these sweet little containers. I'll go ahead and put one down and just show you guys the whole thing. And the artwork is absolutely phenomenal on these. It's got all the information about the products, the ingredients and whatnot. And when you open these, it's got its own little pocket. And the first one we'll go over for you guys is Archangel Michael. I think I'm saying that right. I don't know if this is going to be able to pick up on camera, but these labels, they shine bright. The artwork on these are just nothing I've ever seen before, and that's not a bad thing. That's a really good thing. And I just wanted to point that out, that I know you guys probably can't see the artwork because of the light, but man, they're absolutely phenomenal. And the Archangel, I'm sorry if I'm butchering this, guys, Michael, I got my cheat sheet right here. The carrier oil in these is sweet almond oil. The essential oils in this one is black pepper, geranium, nutmeg, bergamot, and frankincense. And the consistency of these oils, as you can see, it's crystal clear. It's a lighter oil, and the scent, off the bottle open, I do get the black pepper. The black pepper is dominant. But once you heat this oil up, the frankincense comes out, the geranium, the bergamot. It's just an overall really complex scent to me, and it lasts just hours. To me, it's a nice woody type, almost cologne-ish scent. It's really close to being a cologne scent to me. And the longevity of this one in particularly is about 8 hours, 8.5 hours. These go a long way. Man, I wish you guys could see that. What I'm going to try to do is zoom in on the actual bottle to see if you guys can get a little better picture of it. I don't know if you guys can see that. And it's just, these labels are absolutely phenomenal. And as you can see around the tops right here, they were jumbled around a little bit, but just overall, the labeling just absolutely amazing. Feel in beard for these, like I said at the beginning, anything from across the pond, just amazing consistency. Scents are complex, they last a long time, they feel great in beard. Even though the oil is a little bit lighter, it still feels great in beard. It makes my beard super soft. Just overall, awesome beard oil. The next one, you can see that a little bit better. I turned my overhead light up a little bit. I'm sorry guys, I'm not a professional by all means. I gotta work on my lighting skills, but and this one, yeah, the labels are really shiny, so it's kind of hard to show you guys. Hopefully you guys seen when I was reading the about me, just how they pop. And this is Chulu. And again, you guys can't really see it, but just phenomenal artwork. And the essentials in this are rosewood, black pepper, chamomile, rosemary, and cedarwood. And the carrier oil in this is, again, sweet almond oil. And what I get out of this, the first thing that I get is the rosemary. You know, even though there's black pepper in there, the rosemary. And then when you warm it up, actually I'm going to go ahead and put some in hand. When you warm this up, oh man, it's kind of like a woody, it's got a woody sweet scent to it. And it just, this one was a really good one as well. Made my beard super soft. Just the feel of these products, these are the kind of products that I'll you know, pinch here and there. Like when I go to use it, I'll put maybe like 2 or 3 drops in, use as little as I can so they last as long as they can. That's how I feel about these products. In-beard feel is absolutely fantastic. It's all the goodness of the essential oils that they use in these. There's a little bit, I don't know, you guys, man, I wish you guys can see these. Guys, this company, the longevity of these oils, I will say all day long. The feel in beard, fantastic. The scent profiles, perfect, different, complex. If you guys are able to order from them, since they're being overseas, I would highly, highly, highly recommend you check them out. I'll leave all the links in the description box. Definitely something to have on your shelf, even with the labels looking how they do. They pop on your shelf. You'll be happy when you receive these products. I want to say thank you to Lauren and Stephanie for sending these out, especially being overseas. I super appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All the links to get these products will be in the description. Thank you guys for sticking around. If you did, I apologize it's a little bit longer. I wanted to make sure to include everything in this review, since it being an overseas review. Thank you guys for sticking around. I appreciate it. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, hit that thumbs up. And until the next review, peace. Guys, thanks for sticking around. If you're still here, I appreciate all the support. Hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the like button.